US and NATO military missions in the Middle East with RQ-4 Global Hawk aircraft. The RQ-4 Global Hawk unmanned aircraft has become the backbone of US and NATO military missions in the Middle East. With superior reconnaissance and surveillance capabilities, the Global Hawk plays a critical role in supporting security and military operations in this complex conflict region. As of January 2024, the US and NATO allies use the RQ-4 Global Hawk to monitor military and security activities in countries across the Middle East, including Syria, Iraq, and Afghanistan. These aircraft help detect enemy troop movements, gather intelligence on potential threats, and provide military commands with information critical to making strategic decisions. In recent months, the Global Hawk has carried out a series of surveillance missions in conflict-prone areas, including the border region between Syria and Turkey. These missions aim to monitor troop movements and armed groups, as well as to detect violations of ceasefire agreements. In addition, the RQ-4 Global Hawk was also used to support peace enforcement and security operations in Afghanistan. It assists in surveillance and reconnaissance in conflict-prone areas, and helps US and NATO forces monitor the activities of the Taliban and other armed groups. During these missions, the Global Hawk is equipped with a range of advanced sensors, including optical cameras, synthetic aperture radar, and electronic reconnaissance systems. This allows the aircraft to collect accurate and comprehensive data on the situation on the ground, which is then analyzed by military intelligence to support decision-making. One of the key advantages of using the RQ-4 Global Hawk is its ability to operate in the air for extended periods, achieving up to 32 hours of continuous flight time. This allows the aircraft to conduct intensive and thorough monitoring of large areas, without the need to return to base for refueling or crew rest. However, the use of the RQ-4 Global Hawk also has its challenges. Primarily, the aircraft is vulnerable to air and missile attacks, despite its advanced evasion capabilities. Therefore, protecting the aircraft and securing the data transmitted by the Global Hawk is a priority for US and NATO military commanders. In addition, the use of drones in the Middle East region has also raised concerns over the privacy and sovereignty of local countries. Some have criticized the use of surveillance technology, such as Global Hawk, as a form of unwanted foreign interference in their internal affairs. Nonetheless, the US and NATO have maintained the use of the RQ-4 Global Hawk as an important tool in their strategy to maintain stability and security in the Middle East. With its evolving capabilities and unrivaled reconnaissance, the Global Hawk is expected to continue to serve as a vital asset in future military operations in the region. As part of efforts to enhance military cooperation and coordination between the US and NATO allies, the Global Hawk is also frequently used in joint missions and joint exercises. This helps to increase interoperability between forces, strengthen relations between countries, and improve overall operational effectiveness. With constantly evolving technology and an increasingly vital role in military operations, the RQ-4 Global Hawk is expected to remain one of the key pillars in US and NATO security strategy in the Middle East in the coming years. With its superior reconnaissance and surveillance capabilities, the aircraft will continue to be an important tool in supporting efforts to maintain regional stability and address complex security threats in the region.